Icicles and Plasmas, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you the video of my prom night, which was pretty fun and both painful. I didn't go to prom because of some things. I'll explain that later, but when I say pain, nothing miserable really happens. So if this video ends up going on a Monday, you know that my arm and right leg hurt a lot. So I was sleeping off the ache for the weekend. In addition, if you're new here, be sure to check out my other videos, and if you like them, consider subscribing because this channel is mainly circled around you guys. Be sure to get interactive the next time I upload a Gacha collab video for the fans. But if you have time, be sure to comment and let me know what your favorite part of the video was. I love reading those. So, let's get on with this explanation. Okay, so for the video, it's going to be half gacha, half vlog. And if you were there for the poll that was on the community tab, then you would know what this is about. But if not, that's okay. I'm going to explain this now. So since me and Elise didn't want to go to prom because of 3 facts. 1, I don't like wearing a dress. 2, I don't really like my class, and 3, because Elise wasn't going. There was no point in spending over $400 for one night just to eat the food. I can do that at Golden Corral anytime. Me being the one to substitute prom night, I decided it'd be best for us to go bowling instead, which is cheaper and more fun. So since this was the case, it was mandatory that my family had to go, so we all had to go. I invited Elise to go with me along with her big sister. So in this video, I didn't make the mistake of filming in portrait like I did the first Icicle vlog, so help me God. So in some parts of the video, I'm going to have to put some audio and music over it because there was copyright music in the background of the bowling alley, and I'm not in the mood to hear the YouTube hit me with that, "You're not in trouble, but blah 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 about music copyright." In addition, anywhere you see my face, I will have an emoji covering it because no face reveal until my 100k subs. I mean that. Anyways, let's get into it.
No, it's blurry! Oh man, it's blurry! Why did it decide to blur at the wrong time? Wait, that actually might. No! We're better than everyone.
Disappointed!
So close.
Got it.
Yeah! I have no bowling experience. That's an open. No, we gotta win this because they just scored a strike. 2 of them. I refuse to not be the queen of the bowling dance. No! It's an open! No!
So after we bowled, we ate some awesome pizza and wings and decided to go play some of the games. We did laser tag, but I couldn't film it because if I took out my phone, then I'm sure it would have just been pitch dark and my phone would have been crushed. Yeah, that's not fun. After that, though, Lee kicked both of our butts in table hockey, then we played for some tickets, which I didn't win a darn thing. I won something, just not as much as I thought. If you want to watch that, that's up to you.
Ready? Oh, okay, it is 1-0. Okay, we tied it up. Sister against sister, let's get this. That was so subtle. Oh, okay. 1-2, up 2-2. Jeez, Isis. Okay, now it's 2-3. Isis, you're playing with yourself. Let at least hit the ball. Hey! 2-4. Okay, it's 3-4 now. It's 3-4 now. Someone get it. Okay, that was a 3-5 now. Oh snap! 5-5. We are tied now. Oh, okay. Okay, it's 6-5. 6-5. 6-5. I think this is the last one. At least tie this up, man. We got this. It's 6-5. You can tie it up or you can win. Elise is in the lead with 6. Oh, it's 7-5. Is it not in there? That means Lee won. Lee whooped both of our butts. Skee ball. Okay, I'll watch like you guys play. I don't know why it's not loading up mine. Why isn't it loading up mine? I paid. Okay. Oh, I knew that, my dumb butt. I can skis ball with one hand. I lied. All right, you can go first. There are 50s, there's 25, there's 100s. Be careful, the 100 ones are like really heavy. The really big ones, the really big spool. Yeah, you can see it. It's like one like right in the way back there, the 500 one. Yeah, but then again, that one's way too close. The clamp can't catch that one. They did that on purpose. So what you need to do is get the one like the way back. You see it?
The 50?
There's one right, no, in the middle right there.
In the middle, that big one?
Yeah, that big one right there in the middle.
The white one?
Yes, did you already swipe?
Yeah, it's white.
Okay. Should be working. Did you swipe?
No,
You didn't swipe?
I didn't swipe it. Wait, it says something.
Swipe to play. Oh, you didn't swipe it right. No, you have to swipe it. Here, let me.
I got it. I don't got it. Someone help me.
What? Oh, the game cannot use bonus, is what it's telling us.
I'm sad now.
Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Go for it, Elise. You can do better than us. We both got 40. Elise, you got this. I have faith. I have faith. I have that. No! That's 4 tickets. That was so close. Elise, we have to do that again. Let's get it. This match is red hot. Okay, slam your foot on the start pedal when it says 3. Now. Go, Elise, you got that boost, girl. Get it. Use it. You hit your own teammate, Lee, you hit your teammate. Watch out for Donkey Kong. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Elise, watch out. Okay, fusion car. You're the gunner. Elise, keep driving. Turn the car around. Turn it around. Shoot it. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Kill him. Fusion. Kill him. Kill the person in front.
I didn't get this next part on film, but when we had the cards to play games, there was this claw machine. Like it was filled with these little bunny dolls, and Elise really wanted one. The thing is that for most claw games, the claw either doesn't fit the toys that are being won, or it just shakes the toy off by the time it gets to the top, which is not fun at all. Let's just say Elise got a little bit upset when she paid $6 for an empty promise, but still. In the end, we had 398 tickets to share, and I let Elise and Lee pick out keychains with 145 tickets each. And I just bought candy for the remainder of them. Tickets for candy are just 10. I mean, I go there every other month, so getting a souvenir was never on my agenda. In the whole night, we had a great time. We just basically went back to sit down until their dad came to pick them up. Just so you know, if this goes up any later than Monday, my arms and body still hurts from bowling, so that was a thing. Anyways, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Icy Sue, melting out. See you guys.